Hi viewers, welcome to the LFSP cricket quiz. This is the semi-final two. We have the semi-final one, which was won by Anirudh. So we'll see who is going to face Anirudh in the finals. In the quiz, we have Raghuveer and Krishna. Both are pro quizzers. சென்னையில் பல குவிஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணவங்க ஸோ ஐ எம் வெரி எக்ஸைட்டட் ஃபார் திஸ் குவிஸ் ரொம்ப டஃபாக இருக்கும்னு நான் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணுறேன் ஸோ யா ஸோ த ஃபார்மேட் இஸ் சேம் அஸ் த லாஸ்ட் குவிஸ். We have 12 questions, 6 questions each for 2 rounds. One round will be on international cricket and one round will be in IPL. So I will direct a question to one person. If he doesn't answer, the other person will get chance. Are the rules clear for both of you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So before
Okay.
we begin, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We have lots of content coming up. And during this lockdown, please stay safe, wear masks, use hand sanitizers, and make sure you keep a healthy surrounding.
Yeah, as Krishna said, like we have a lot of content planned up. We are also thinking of including our subscribers in our next edition of quiz. So kindly do comment and let us know. Thanks. So let's move on to the quiz. The first round is on international cricket. The first question I'll direct it to Raghuveer. Okay, so let's move on to the first question. It's a very straightforward question. Who won the man of the match in the 2013 Champions Trophy finals, which we beat England to win it? Raghuveer?
Isn't Ishant Sharma?
Shan Sharma is incorrect. So the question passes to Krishna.
Is it Virat Kohli?
Virat Kohli was the highest run scorer of that match, but he did not win man of the match. The man of the match went to Ravindra
Jadeja.
Jadeja. He scored a quick fire 30 and also got a couple of wickets.
Yeah, I remember Ravindra Jadeja getting golden ball. Yeah, the only thing I remember from that final is in that low scoring game, Kohli got the
Yeah, it was a 20 over final. Ravindra Jadeja, I think, incidentally bowled the last over of the match as well. I think.
No, it was Ashwin, right?
Ashwin.
Okay, Ashwin. I mean, 19th over or last over, I don't exactly remember.
Wicket of Butler.
But the
Jadeja
man
got
of
the wicket of Butler and Ian Bell. Ian Bell and Butler, Jadeja got wickets. Yeah.
yeah, he also got
I totally
quick
forgot
fire.
that. I totally forgot that Jadeja made a batting contribution. I thought he only bowled, so maybe they gave it to Kohli.
No,
It was a low-scoring match, and
that over, so I thought that was the turning point in the game. So that's why I thought Ishant Sharma would win.
yeah. And then like we scored only around 120. Kohli scored a 48, I think, and Jadeja scored a 35. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's move on to the second question, which is a direct question to Krishna. Who is the only player to score 200s in World Cup T20s?
I think Chris Gayle.
Yes, Chris Gayle is the correct answer. Is the boss.
The hundreds were against the inaugural 100 against South Africa, and then the other 100 came in the 2012 World Cup. I think could be
I
the
think it
Australia
was.
semi-final.
I think he scored 100. The second 100 he scored in Wankhede in the 2016 edition. I am
Oh
not
yeah.
entirely.
Correct.
Is it England or?
England.
England.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. So the next question. Now the score is Krishna 1, Raghuveer nil. The next question is direct to Raghuveer. So like we all remember the epic super over in the 2019 World Cup final, which was the first super over in ODI history. But there was a second super over recently. So my question is, who are the two teams who played and which team won?
Yeah, pass. I don't know.
Okay, the question passes to Krishna. It was a recent match. It's like 2020 and around November, I think.
My guess is Pakistan and South Africa won.
That is incorrect, but you came close. It was actually Pakistan and Zimbabwe. So they had a super over in the third ODI, and Pakistan first batted and they scored only 3 runs in that over. I think only 2 runs and they got all out. So
Yeah,
Zimbabwe had an
yeah,
easy win.
yeah.
Okay.
Good one, good one. Yeah, good one.
So the score is still 1-0. This question will be direct to Krishna. So this is the origin story, one of the famous nicknames that we have in cricket. So the story is that there was a match going on and the opposite team had a very long batting partnership. So naturally, the fielding team got very tired and then they lost all energy and they were just playing for the sake of it. So X, the player of the fielding team, just wanted to encourage everybody and get everyone in the mood. So he started randomly shouting dialogues from a movie. So that's why this nickname was given to him. He is still called with that nickname. So I want the nickname and the player.
I think the nickname is Wall and the player is Rahul Dravid. Just a wild guess.
Uh, no, that is incorrect. The question passes to Raghuveer.
It's Gabbar and Shikhar Dhawan.
Yes, it is Gabbar and
Yeah,
Shikhar
good one.
Dhawan because he was shouting dialogues from the Gabbar's dialogue from the Sholay movie. So that's why everyone called him Gabbar.
Yeah, good one.
So now the scores are tie, 1-1. Now the next question goes to Raghuveer. So India won the World Cup in the 2011, but there is a player who was part of the World Cup squad before 2011. That is the previous edition of the World Cup 2007, and then he was also part of one of the squads post 2011. That is either 2015 or 2019. But he wasn't part of the 2011 World Cup. Hence, he didn't get a World Cup medal. So I want the name of the player.
So this guy was part of 2007 World Cup and another squad post the 2011 World Cup.
Yeah, he's either 2015 or 2019. He was part of one of the World Cups, but he
Oh,
wasn't part of the 2011.
okay. It's 50 over World Cup only no, after
Yeah,
20.
It's only 50 over World Cup.
Okay. Is it Dinesh Karthik?
Dinesh Karthik is absolutely the right answer. He was part of the 2007 World Cup as well, and he played in the 2019 World Cup. So with that, Raghuveer takes the lead, and the score is 2-1 now. So the quiz is getting interesting. The next question is direct to Krishna. It's a very straightforward question. Who is the only cricketer to make his debut in a World Cup final? It can be any format.
Any format. Yusuf Pathan.
Yes, Yusuf Pathan is absolutely correct. So after the international round, we are at a tie with 2-2. Yusuf Pathan made his international debut in the 2007 World T20 final. So let's move on to the IPL round. We have Krishna who's a CSK fan and Raghuveer who is an MI fan. We have quite some questions from both the franchises. So let's see who gets it. So this question again I'll direct it to Raghuveer. The score is now 2-2, right? Okay, let's go to the first question. It's a very straightforward question. Who is the leading wicket taker in IPL?
Amit Mishra.
Amit Mishra is incorrect. Let's move to Krishna. Krishna,
Lasith
what's your
Malinga.
guess? Lasith Malinga is absolutely the right answer. He is still the leading wicket taker, even though he was not part of the last two editions. So that is amazing because Amit Mishra is second, but I think Malinga has played some 50 matches less. So that is an impeccable record. So with that, Krishna takes the lead. The score is 3-2. So this question is directed to Krishna. For IPL 2018,
Chris
Delhi
Morris.
retained. A Chris Morris fan, he got the question even before I read the question fully. So yeah, Chris Morris is absolutely right. So now we have Krishna 4, Raghuveer 2. Let's go to the next question, which is direct to Raghuveer. So I want you to connect these three names: Abhishek Nair, Harbhajan Singh, JP Dumini. Think of the year these three played together, and then there are three in the list. So connect it and
Uh, the Rohit Sharma's hat-trick dismissals in
that is
2000.
absolutely correct. These are the three victims of the epic Rohit Sharma hat trick. So Raghuveer, being an MI fan, gets that very easily. So it's Raghuveer 3, Krishna 4 now. We have three more questions left. As Ravi Shastri used to say, all three results are possible. The next question I'll direct it to Krishna. So again a straightforward question. Who is the only overseas player to win the Emerging Player of the Year award? If
Ah,
both have no objection, I can give a clue if you want.
Objection, objection.
Okay, we have an objection, so Krishna, you have to answer this.
there are two candidates. I'm not sure who to choose. I'm not sure if the edition had the emerging player award.
I
Okay,
think it
Shamash.
was there since first. Sorry, sorry.
Marsh.
What was your guess? Huh?
Sean Marsh. Sean Marsh.
Sean Marsh. Sean Marsh is incorrect. So the question goes to Raghuveer.
It's the Fizz, Mustafizur Rahman.
Yes, it was Mustafizur Rahman. He got it in the 2016 edition. Till date, he remains the only overseas player to get the Emerging Player of the Year award. So now we are in a tie. We have still two more questions to go. So this question is direct to Raghuveer. So we know the famous Karan Sharma triple, where he got three IPLs back to back with three different teams. But there was a player before him who had a back to back IPL trophy with two different teams. I want the name of the player. If both have no objections, I can give the teams and the teams. I can give the teams.
Krishna, you only have to say. I need a clue.
Krishna, do you have
Yeah,
any objections to
I
this?
also need a clue. I also need a clue.
Okay.
Yeah,
So the
it's a little
it's
too stringent. So yeah, clue would be better.
okay. So the two trophies were won in once KKR and once in MI. Played for multiple teams and he won a back-to-back trophy with once with KKR and once with MI. To be precise, I think the 2014 KKR season and the 2015 MI season.
Okay, is it Marshawn Delan,
Sorry,
the South African fast bowler? Delan,
uh,
DELA.
I don't think.
It's not okay. Move on, move on.
Yeah. So Krishna, it's your guess.
Is it Vinay Kumar?
Vinay Kumar is absolutely the right answer. I had to put an Indio player in the question. I had one question for Mohit Sharma last quiz, so this was Vinay Kumar's. So with that, Krishna takes a lead. We are going to the last question, which is direct to Krishna. The score is 5-4, is it?
Yeah, 5-4.
Okay, let us see. So the last question goes to Krishna. This is a CSK MI question. So in the last semi-final, I had asked for the players who had won the trophy for both the teams. So this is a different one. So there are a lot of players who played for both CSK and MI. CSK and MI being both of the two successful franchises. So there is only one player who played matches for both CSK and MI and have not won a trophy with either of them.
Dwayne Smith.
Dwayne Smith is an incorrect answer. I don't think he won a trophy with CSK. He wasn't part of the 2010-2011 squad or even the 2019 squad.
So he has won
Yeah.
a league trophy, but not with CSK or MI is the question.
Sorry.
This person has won an IPL trophy, but he has played for both CSK and MI and hasn't won it for CSK and MI is your question, right?
Yeah, he wasn't. He hasn't won for CSK and MI.
But he has won one.
Yeah,
Okay.
he may or may not have not mentioned in this question. But he played for both teams, not just a squad player. He was a main player, so that also I mentioned.
Um, no idea.
Take a wild guess.
Michael Hussey.
Michael Hussey has won a trophy for CSK. So the answer is Ashish Nehra.
Oh, nice, nice, wonderful. Nice
He played
question.
for MA in the inaugural season, and then he went on to play for CSK for a couple of seasons. And then in 2016, he went to SRH and got a trophy with them.
Nice question. Nice question.
Yes, question.
I didn't think of Nehra. The first name that came to my mind was Dwayne Smith because I remember he was part of 2014 and 2015, didn't win the cup. And then, I forgot that 2013 he played for MA and won the trophy.
And I don't think he. Okay, so he won. Sorry. Yeah, he also got confused. Yeah, Dwayne Smith won a trophy with MI. So yeah, it was a very close quiz. I think Krishna finally seals it with a narrow win of 5-4. So Krishna will be facing Anirudh in the finals. That is an interesting finals that will come to you soon. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. We are planning a lot more content in the coming weeks. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you.